Hi team. So I'm recording this video to show, or since we have a problem before of ChatGPT generating similar faces over and over again when we do AI image generation. I actually found a plan on how you can generate images without having this issue that we have before. So yeah, so we will still use the same prompt that we provide to you guys. We just need to go to Pinterest. And for example, so our target audience for this product, this is anti-aging, so it should be older men or women. So you just go to Pinterest and then search, for example, old man selfie. And then look for someone that you want to use this product. So for example, this one or this looks young. Let's try. Or this. Okay. Okay. So download this one and then go to ChatGPT, upload, and then also upload your product. And then type in have this man for my product loaded for white background ratio is 1:1 or square. So I one-on-one is actually great, but I sometimes or most of the time put square as well. So ChatGPT will know that I shouldn't be getting any other sizes. So then just wait for it to load. And then let's try to find a different man that we can let he can be our model. Or maybe let's see. So this is anti-aging, so let's find someone that doesn't really have a wrinkle. So let's try this. Save. See? So it actually huge, so you can just type in per uh, looks good. But please redo it and make the product size 40% smaller, 30, maybe 30. Let's see. Let's still try to find some. Okay, this has wrinkle. Okay. Or this is better. Okay, that's really great. Now let's perfect. Just mention. So if you're already good with how it looks, so just mention perfect. So it will remember that that's the size of the product that you wanted. Need more image. Have this strap man hold my product as well. So upload still your product. Keep the same product size and ratio this is 1 square. You can download this. All right, it's perfect. Um, so if you like it, always compliment ChatGPT. Now, last, I need this one. So you can just copy the same as well. So you don't need to upload together. So you need to upload this first. So ChatGPT will remember that this is the first or the image one, and then this is the image two. You can download this as well. All right, perfect. Thank you. That's all. If you have questions, just message me on Slack. Thank you.